It's on 1. It's on 1. Now I want to go to ultra wide. What happened? I can't go to ultra wide. Why can't I? I can go here, I can go there, I can go there. I can't go to ultra wide. Okay, wait. No, it just worked. Wait a minute, I did what? What's going on? Okay, give me 1 here. I go 2, 5. Now I want to go to ultra wide.
Yeah.
What's going on? Well, see, actually, sometimes it doesn't move. Sometimes it doesn't move, but that's not really the problem. So I'm on 5. Okay, I'm on 5. I want to go to 2.
Right.
I want to go to 2.
So, zooming in, and essentially add a lens so it can go more or it can go less. But what you can't do is go to 0.5.
Starting at 5x. Okay, all right. Look. So I want to go to 2. I can go to 2. What's going on? And now I want to change my lens. Push that, push that. Now I want to go to ultra wide.
Like I said, we shoot for about an hour and a half.
It worked. Wait a minute, it worked. Maybe it fixed itself. Video. Now I'm going to go down to 2. It won't go to 2. Starting my video now. I want to change lens.
Okay.
Anyway, it seems to have worked. Seems to have worked. Okay, so now I want to go to ultra wide.
Uh-huh.
I won't go to ultra wide.
Okay.
I mean, it's acting weird. It's so. I mean.
Let's see.
I'm gonna do 5. It doesn't do 5, but it goes the 0.5, the 1, the 2, and it doesn't want to go to the 0.1, 2, and 5. It doesn't want to go to the 0.5. Right? 0.5, right? Then I go 1, 2, and it doesn't want to go to 5.
How you doing?
I was checking to see if it's a format. It goes to the 2, 5, and 0.5, 0.2, 2. And anytime that you switch the recording FPS, it changes the lenses.